Hi. I hadn't played chess in a while, and I found this downstairs and decided, like, oh, maybe it'd be kind of fun to play chess. But problem is that really there's nobody here. Joey and Jesse, my kids, they're in Winona at school, so they're not around to play chess. And Cody, he's working, so he's not around to play chess. And Tyler, my oldest kid, he's busy. He's got a young guy and then another baby coming. So really don't have anybody to play chess with. Now I have heard that you can play chess with people like on the internet, or I guess you can play chess with the computer, to do it with the computer. But I don't think that would be that much fun. But I also have heard that you can play chess with yourself. So I think I'm going to see about playing chess with myself. What is this about? That's weird. It's kind of rude to wear a hat in the house. You probably shouldn't be wearing a hat inside. What do you mean, being rude? At least I have a hat on covering my hair. You know how bad your hair looks today? What the heck is that about? That wasn't very nice. Who invited you here anyway? Uh, you're the one that invited me here. That's your fault, not mine. Oh yeah, I did. Alright, I'll start. Alright, I'll do that move. Interesting move. I think I will do this one. Well, I think they get the point. And the point is that if you don't have anybody to play with, you can always play chess with yourself. But just make sure you're playing with somebody who's a lot nicer than you are, or at least as nice. What the heck? Anyway, what this made me think about is the chessboard. So just in this chessboard, there's a bunch of squares inside of this chessboard, just from here to here. It's hard to see. Let me take care of that. I'll make it so it's easier to see. Okay, that's better. How'd you do that? All right, on this chessboard that I have, and this is a really heavy one, there are squares. And I was thinking, like if we, not including this outside black part, I was wondering how many squares are on a checkerboard. And that's the problem I'm going to have to solve right now. How many squares are on a checkerboard? Remember how yesterday and before I've said you have to be careful to make sure you're solving the right problem? Sometimes problems seem pretty easy, but they're a lot more complicated than that. I think this might be one of those cases. So how many squares are on a checkerboard? You're going to need to figure it out, write it out. I'm not exactly sure how this is going to look because of the how we're doing it online, but you need to show me how many squares on a checkerboard. Don't just blurt it out. You can put something in the comments. I might throw you into groups in a little bit, but probably not right now. But how many squares are on the checkerboard? And I'm going to give you a hint that I've never given a class before. It's more than 64. I'm going to give you another big hint. It's more than 65. So the question is, how many squares are on a checkerboard? And you need to go back wherever you came from. Well, good luck. I'm going to take off. Just be aware he's trying to trick you. Do he's got the, he it's there's a trick to it. There's a pattern. There's a pattern. Bye.